where every color holds a unique magical power, the vibrant and lively city of Cromaville is the heart of celebration and joy, especially during the Grand Color Festival. Each year, the inhabitants showcase their abilities tied to the colors around them: red for strength, blue for wisdom, yellow for creativity, and so on. But during the festival, a strange and unsettling event occurs. The colors begin to disappear, one by one. People lose their abilities, and the city is plunged into a lifeless gray. The only one unaffected is Lena, a young, gifted artist who has the rare ability to see and blend colors in ways no one else can. As she witnesses the chaos unfolding, Lena sets out on a perilous journey to uncover the truth behind the color thief, the mysterious figure believed to be responsible for stealing the world's colors. Joined by Pip, a quirky and sarcastic chameleon with a hidden past, Lena ventures into the colorless regions, a shadowy and oppressive place where the stolen colors are kept. Here, they face numerous challenges: strange creatures made of darkness, puzzling obstacles, and haunting memories of those who've lost their color. Along the way, Lena meets other characters: an artist whose paintings have lost their vibrancy, a musician who can no longer hear the melody of the world, and a poet who has forgotten the beauty of words, each robbed of their color and, with it, their essence. Despite the looming danger, Lena and Pip's friendship keeps the journey lighthearted, filled with banter, jokes, and unexpected moments of comic relief. Eventually, Lena and Pip confront the color thief, a cloaked figure who is neither fully villain nor hero. The thief reveals that they were once a powerful being with a deep purple color that symbolized wisdom and sorrow, a color tied to a tragic loss. In their grief, the color thief began stealing colors from others, believing that by capturing the essence of others, they could restore what was lost. At first, Lena is conflicted. She understands the thief's pain, but also knows that stealing the colors cannot heal the wounds of the past. As the two battle in the colorless regions, Lena discovers her unique power. Instead of relying on one single color, she can blend and mix colors, creating something new. With this newfound ability, she realizes that healing comes not from taking, but from sharing. The thief must learn to connect with others and find healing through compassion, not theft. The climax sees Lena using her power to blend colors, creating a beautiful and emotional burst of hues that fill the colorless regions with life once again. The color thief is redeemed, their own lost purple color returned, and the stolen colors are restored to the world. The city of Cromaville bursts into vibrant color, but this time, the celebration is not just about individual power but about unity and connection. The Color Festival now symbolizes a world coming together to heal and share their experiences, with Lena and the color thief standing together. having learned that true power lies in understanding and sharing one's essence with others. In the end, Lena realizes that her artistic abilities, though different from everyone else's, are powerful in their own way, capable of bringing life and color back to a world on the brink of losing its soul. As the city of Chromaville rejoices, Lena's art becomes the bridge between people, a reminder that the brightest colors come not from within, but from the connections we share. The end.
Subscribe to my channel.